Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Thursday, January 14th. And you can see temperatures out there this morning pretty uniform out there, the upper teens to low 20s. Lots of clouds coming in with some warm air trying to push into the region. As it does, it's going to touch off some snow showers today that could become mixed with some sleet and freezing rain. But again, amounts to be quite light. And by tomorrow morning, I think the low-level cold air will have eroded enough where mainly rain will fall. And we expect temperatures maybe even climbing up to around 40 degrees tomorrow before the cold front begins to drop temperatures late in the afternoon. Then I think we'll see some snow showers and then a big lake effect event kicking off for the weekend. We'll have more snow showers on Saturday, but I think we'll see the heart of the cold air really pour in on Sunday, and that's when we could see highs only in the low to mid-teens with lots of snow showers. I expect areas along the Great Lakes to see anywhere from half a foot to a foot or more of snow in some areas. Inland areas will get a lot of snow showers as well, but I think overall over the 3-day period, Sunday and Tuesday, look for inland areas to get around 1 to maybe as much as 4 inches, but again, mainly a lot of 1 to 2 inch amounts away from the snow belts. If we take a look at the web shot this morning from Lansing, you can see, although it's 24.4 degrees, it's a very heavy atmosphere out there, again, as that higher dew point air moves into the region. Also a feature we could see late tonight and tomorrow morning with that high dew point air will be some fog with the cold snow on the ground. So again, don't be surprised to see some pretty foggy conditions tomorrow morning. If we look at the low-level wind flow, you can see where the stationary/warm front is, and you can see that warm air trying to push up and over it, and that's what's touching off the snow all the way from the Dakotas to the Great Lakes. Again, nothing very heavy. And you can see that on radar as that area of precipitation breaks out and will move from northwest to southeast into the state here, especially for later on today into tonight. And if we look at the weather map this morning, you can see a weak low pressure system in the Dakotas that's going to be sliding along that front, and the front will lift to the north. And these two low pressure systems will merge into a pretty good storm over Wisconsin, and we're going to have a strong Arctic boundary on that. So once that storm moves to the northeast, as we get later in the day on Saturday, we'll see the cold air pour in. And you can see the forecast map for tomorrow morning, and you can see that warm front right over the northern portions of the MAC area, rain to the south, and well up into northern Michigan, a mix of precipitation there, and snow back to the northwest of this low pressure. And if we look at the forecast map for Saturday, that low pressure now off to the northeast. We're in the cold air. You'll see spokes and troughs of low pressure move around that big upper low, and that's going to give us frequent snow showers from Sunday right into early next week. And another feature we'll watch, I talked a little bit about yesterday, is the playoff game in Foxborough, Massachusetts. And let me slide this map up a little bit. And the interesting thing is it looks like it's going to be rain in the morning, but the afternoon kickoff could see some cold air come in, and it could just turn over to a mix or even to snow. So we'll watch future forecast maps for that area. But that could be a fun game to watch, especially if it was some pretty good snow coming down. Right now, the best bet is it would be rain that changes to snow, but I'm not sure it'll change over in time for the game, but we'll keep an eye on that. Thanks for having or stopping by, and have a great day, and 73s to all.